Once upon a time, in a lush green meadow, there lived a curious cow named Daisy. Daisy was not like the other cows in her herd. She always had a keen interest in exploring the world beyond the familiar pasture. One sunny morning, Daisy decided to venture a little further than usual. She nudged open the wooden gate of the meadow and trotted down a winding path lined with colorful wildflowers. As she ambled along, she came across a bubbling brook. The sun shimmered on the surface of the water, and fish darted beneath with playful splashes. Daisy was fascinated by the way the fish moved and wondered what it would be like to swim like them. Continuing her journey, Daisy soon found herself in a small village. The villagers were surprised but delighted to see a cow with such a sense of adventure. Everywhere she went, children followed her, giggling and marveling at her bravery. Daisy happily posed for pictures while grazing on the sweet grass growing near the village pond. In the heart of the village was a bustling marketplace. Merchants sold fresh vegetables, fruits, and other local produce. Daisy sniffed around curiously and even nibbled on a fallen carrot, much to the delight of a nearby vendor who offered her more. As the sun began to set, Daisy realized it was time to head back to her meadow. She retraced her steps, laden with the day's experiences. Pausing at the brook, she watched the fish once more, reflecting on her adventure. By the time Daisy returned home, the stars were twinkling in the night sky. From that day on, Daisy was known as the curious cow who had explored the village and returned with tales of her adventures. Her fellow cows gathered around her, eager to hear stories of the world beyond their meadow, reminding everyone of the value of curiosity and courage in discovering the unknown.